Hi, this is Greg with Spates Painting again. Today I just want to give you a quick lesson on how to roll walls and how to cut in. A lot of people like to use, homeowners and do-it-yourselfers use a lot of tape. Professional painters use tape also, but sometimes you don't need to. We've got Swiss coffee white ceilings, and we're basically going Swiss coffee on the walls, which prevents a lot of having to use tape. But just the one thing on tape, when you tape your baseboards and things like that, a lot of times the paint will go underneath it, so it's kind of what I call false security. Sometimes it just pays to get a nice good angle sash brush and just cut it in nice and slow and keep your line straight. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this real quick. Since we don't have a lot of time and I don't want to take a lot of time on out of your day, I'm just going to go real quick on this and give you the idea. See, I'm just going right along the edge. It's very easy. And you do it just like a pencil. Normally I would keep a bucket closer to me, but I just have this 5-gallon bucket, so that's what I'm working with right now. A lot of times this is a blue color, so I'll need to do 2 coats. So I would not worry about trying to cover it the first time. I know there's a lot of paints out there that say, we guarantee it'll cover in 1 coat. I would say probably 80% of the time it won't, unless you're going over the same color or something close to it. This blue, you can buy $50 gallon paint, and it probably is not going to cover in 1 coat. So you're probably just as well to buy the medium line paint and save some money. Saving money is always good, as far as I'm concerned. Now this vent here was blue before, so I'm going to go ahead and paint it. Paint around the edges real quick. I'm going to roll it. This is an older house. You can always buy new vents at the store, but this is one quick way to do it. Just kind of get your brush in there and fill in all the blue. Once again, this is going to need a couple coats, so just do it real quick. Don't mess with it. I guess another thing I'll show you is how to properly dip your brush. Don't submerge your brush all the way down. Just get a little bit of paint and tap it. Don't wipe it off, because if you wipe it off, now you don't have any paint on here. It's not going to go very far. So just get the tip of your brush done, dip it on the edge, and now you've got paint and it's not dripping. You're good to go. All right. So let me move this out of the way real quick. And I'm just going to roll this section. I'm going to just kind of give you an idea. So I like to use a 5-gallon bucket when I'm rolling walls. I have a 9-inch sleeve, 3/4-inch sleeve, 9-inch frame. With inside the bucket I have a screen. And you usually only fill up like 2 gallons of paint in there at a time. When you start off your rolling, you roll in a V or a W to spread your paint. And work your way back. Get close to the ceiling, but don't hit it. We have these taped off, so technically I can just go like this because they're taped. And there you go. That's the first coat. It's going to need a second coat, which I will do the same process in that area again. This is Greg Spates. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.